Here at CDI, we love when we get the opportunity to paint coaches at either of our two fantastic facilities, Forest City, Iowa, Charles City, Iowa, and we've had so many amazing transformations of older coaches, bringing them into kind of a new era that from time to time we forget about the fact that there are new opportunities that are out there. Really excited because we had the opportunity here recently to paint our first Brinkley, which is a relatively new build to the marketplace, and we had a client. They loved the coach, they loved the layout, they just wanted the exterior to look a little bit different. So we're really excited. We sometimes have to remind ourselves that it's not all about the older coaches, that there are new great opportunities. And so if you find a coach that you love and it either doesn't have paint or it doesn't have the paint the way you like it, CDI in Forest City and Charles City, Iowa is the perfect partner to take your vision and make it a reality.